कति बज्यो सोध्नलाई What time is it? What time is it? माफ गर्नुहोला मसँग घडी छैन I am sorry I don't have a watch I am sorry I don't have a watch उनी कहिले आउँछिन् अथवा आउनेछन् When will she come? When will she come? उनी साँझमा आउनेछिन् She will come in the evening. She will come in the evening. Evening को अर्थ हुन्छ साँझ She will come in the evening. हामी फेरि कहिले भेट्नेछौं When will we meet again? When will we meet again? हामी चाँडै फेरि भेट्नेछौं We will meet again soon. We will meet again soon. AGAIN लाई again होइन again भन्नुस् है again 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 We will meet again soon. तपाई हेरिरहनु भएको छ हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु YouTube च्यानल तपाईहरुको अंग्रेजी सिक्ने ठाउँ You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel your place to learn English आउनुहोस् आजको भिडियोमा यसरी नै प्रश्न उत्तरको अभ्यास गरौँ उ सधैं किन यति थकित देखिन्छ Why does he always look so tired? Why does he always look so tired? उ दिन रात काम गर्छ He works day and night. He works day and night. उसले किन यति धेरै काम गर्छ Why does he work so much? Why does he work so much? उसले पैसा कमाउन काम गर्छ He works to earn money. He works to earn money. अब यसको अलि राम्रो उत्तर आफ्नो परिवार पाल्नको लागि उसले धेरै काम गर्छ He works hard to support his family. He works hard to support his family. Support his family भनेको यहाँ परिवार पाल्नु हो He works hard to support his family. अब यो हेरौं त उसले बैंकबाट लोन लिएको छ He has taken a loan from the bank. He has taken a loan from the bank. त्यसैले उ धेरै काम गर्छ So he does a lot of work. So he does a lot of work. तिमी सधैं किन ढिलो हुन्छौ Why are you always late? Why are you always late? म धेरै टाढाबाट आउँछु I come from very far away. I come from very far away. म बिहान ढिलो उठ्छु. I get up late in the morning. I get up late in the morning. के तपाई यहाँ बसमा आउनुहुन्छ? Do you come here by bus? Do you come here by bus? म त हिँड्दै आउँछु. No, I come on foot. No, I come on foot. By foot हुँदैन, on foot हुन्छ, त्यो ध्यान दिनुहोस् है. No, I come on foot. तिमी यहाँ कोसँग आउँछौ? Who do you come here with? Who do you come here with? म एक्लै आउँछु. I come alone. I come alone. म मेरो साथीसँग आउँछु. I come with my friend. I come with my friend. मलाई मेरो बुवाले यहाँ ल्याइदिनुहुन्छ. My father brings me here. My father brings me here. अनि के तपाईहरुले यस च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिसक्नु भएको छ त? यस च्यानल र हाम्रो अनलाइन क्लास युट्युब च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिसक्नु भएको छैन भने अहिले सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नछुटाउनु होला र दुवै च्यानलको सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन नभुल्नु होला. यस्तै महत्त्वपूर्ण भिडियोहरु कहिले पनि नछुटाउनका लागि. के तिम्रो बुवा पनि यही काम गर्नुहुन्छ? Does your father work here too? Does your father work here too? मेरो बुवा यहाँ काम गर्नु हुँदैन. No, my father doesn't work here. No, my father doesn't work here. यो सबै कहिले भयो? When did all this happen? When did all this happen? तपाई शहरबाट टाढा हुँदा यस्तो भयो. It happened when you were away from the city. It happened when you were away from the city. तिमीले मलाई फोन गरेर किन भनेनौ? Why didn't you call and tell me? Why didn't you call and tell me? मैले तिमीलाई जानकारी गराउने प्रयास गरेँ. I tried to inform you. I tried to inform you. Inform someone भनेको कसैलाई केही कुराको जानकारी गराउनु. I tried to inform you. उसले मलाई नभन्नु भन्यो. He told me not to. He told me not to. के यो साँचो हो कि तिमी आज राति पोखरा जाँदैछौ? Is it true that you are going to Pokhara tonight? Is it true that you are going to Pokhara tonight? हो, यो एकदमै सत्य हो. Yes, it's absolutely true. Yes, it's absolutely true. तिमी किन त्यहाँ जाँदैछौ? Why are you going there? Why are you going there? पहिलो उत्तर यसको, त्यहाँ मेरो केही काम छ. I have some work there. I have some work there. अर्को उत्तर, म मेरो बिदाको मजा लिन जाँदैछु. I am going to enjoy my holidays. I am going to enjoy my holidays. Be sure to like and share this video. यो भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न अवश्य नछुटाउनुहोला. तिमी कहिले घर फर्कनेछौ? When will you come back home? When will you come back home? म चाँडै फर्कने प्रयास गर्नेछु. I will try to come back soon. I will try to come back soon. तिमीलाई यहाँ बस्न रमाइलो लाग्छ? Do you enjoy living here? Do you enjoy living here? मलाई यहाँ धेरै राम्रो लाग्छ. I feel very good here. I feel very good here. म उसँग बाहिर जानु पर्छ कि पर्दैन? Should I go out with him or not? Should I go out with him or not? यसको जाऊँ कि नजाऊँ भन्ने अर्थ हो. Should I go out with him or not? तिमीलाई जे ठीक लाग्छ त्यही गर. Do what you think is right. Do what you think is right. म यसबारे सोच्नेछु. I will think about this. I will think about this. ऊ यहाँ आउँदा उसले केही भन्यो? Did he say anything when he came here? Did he say anything when he came here? उसले तिम्रो बारेमा सोध्यो. He asked about you. He asked about you. र आजलाई यति नै. This much for the video. Take care. Have a great day.